Stock main event of the year, 20 laps on the pole, the 3K. That's Nick Kelly out of Moreno Valley. Outside him, last year's champion, Carnish, the 26. He is out of Menifee. Run number 2 on the inside, it's James Keller out of Hooper Valley, the number 99. Next to him will be the number 88, Ethan Kintop out of Nuevo. Run number 3 on the inside, the 42. The guy who is trying to win his second title in 3 years, David Stites out of Canyon Lake. And the 91, Camaro Bro out of Ramona. Number 4 on the inside, the number 17, Austyn Jaramillo out of Winchester. With him in that row, the 28, David Uraine out of Menifee. Next to the last row, that's row number 5 on the inside from Colton. The 36 of Lanny Savage. Outside Lanny, the 26X. First time year, Andrew Thurman out of Lakeside. Rounding out the field, the number 25, Albert Jurado out of Riverside. Final main event of the year, the factory stocks underway. Jerry Dodd's Champions Night. 3 abreast through turns 1 and 2. Carnish going to lead him off the second corner. Keller up to second. Third spot, Kelly, the point leader. Stites got into the K-rail. Got the car up on the 2 left side tires. He stays on the throttle, continues on. That's the black 42 car who just moves into 4th. Keller way sideways, and that allows Camaro Bro up to second. Carnish, good size lead. Same with Camaro Bro with the third place car, but look at the battle from third on back. Side by side for 4th, that's a 99 Keller on the outside, the red number 3 on the inside, Kelly. Kelly slides it up. Keller ducks back underneath. It's 3 abreast behind them. Now Stites moves up to 4th as he goes around the outside of Keller. Another 3 abreast battle coming up turn number 2 right now. Keller squeezes between those 2 cars. He'll maintain 5th. The leader goes around. Oh, and he got clobbered. Yellow. Carnish went around, got hit by Camaro Bro. Fifth spot, Jaramillo, 6th spot. Uraine, 7th spot. Kintop, 8th Hurtado. 9th Savage. 10th Damon, 11th Bro. Good restart for Kelly, but Carnish going to beat him off the corner. Stites hanging down to the top 3. Gives a love tap to the second place car, Kelly. Look around the outside of Kelly, then Kelly went straight up in front of him. Stites, great run off turn number 2, goes to the inside of Kelly down the back chute. And he takes over second, sets his sights on the leader. Seven down this time by, 13 left. Stites bumper check on Carnish going into 3. Turns under Carnish, coming off turn number 4. They trading paint down the front straightaway. And new leaders, David Stites. Kelly still running 3rd. He's under attack of the 99 car of Keller. Then it's Jaramillo, Uraine, Kintop right behind them. Hurtado goes off-road racing in turn number 4. Stays on the throttle. We stay racing. Trouble. 3 and 99 got together. 99 got sideways, 3 had nowhere to go, ended up clobbering him.
Oh, I got one right in the middle of...
And we got another car stopped further up the racetrack by the Pick Your Part sign.
Who's that?
Back to racing. Stites is your leader. Carnish second, but here comes Kelly along the inside of Carnish. Keller third, Jaramillo fourth, Uraine fifth, sixth spot Kintop, seventh spot it is Savage, eighth Thurman, ninth Hurtado. Cross flags, going to tell the drivers they're halfway. Point Stites starting to pull away. Still a good balance going on from second back to fifth. Actually, second back to sixth. Uraine trying to break into the top five as he's looking. Oh, Carnish again in the same corner. Gets hit by Kelly. Keller in there. It's almost a Talladega crash. Carnish on the wide side of the racetrack makes it 3 abreast down the back chute. And moves into fifth. The best he has run all year, fastest he's run all year, is in this main event. Meanwhile, Stites inching away one more time. And another one. Hurtado goes around. Gets hit in slow motion by Stites. Actually, not Stites. I'm sorry. Got hit by slow motion by Savage.
We're yellow, we're yellow, we're yellow. Go to the green right now.
To racing. Jaramillo dives to the bottom of the racetrack, trying to take second away from Thurman. Good run for Thurman. First time he's been here. Carnish right behind them. Then it's Kelly, then it's Uraine. Carnish turns down to the inside of the track. He's going to move all the way up to third. Steve Russell gets out his white flag. David Stites trying to close his championship the way a champion does. Last lap flag, 1 to go. David Stites pulling away. Checker's going to come down with it. Goes the championship. His second in the last 3 years. Victory goes to David Stites. Second spot is Jaramillo. Third is Carnish. Fourth spot goes to Thurman. Fifth spot Uraine. Sixth Kintop. Seventh Hurtado. Eighth spot goes to Savage. And ninth will go to the 3K of Kelly. So,